The more we've learnt about mental health and how to maximise people's mental health, how to prevent mental illness or help people recover from mental illness, the more we have understood the power of doing things outside the health service. Of course, we have to have a health service that can give people treatment when they need it. But actually, what's really important if we want to create a mentally healthier world, which is our mission at the Black Dog Institute, we need to make sure that for kids, we have schools creating a mentally healthy environment. And for adults, we need to make sure that the workplaces that they spend the majority of their waking hours in, that's a mentally healthy place. A question I'm often asked when I speak to industry leaders is, what's the most important thing around creating a mentally healthy workplace? And there's a really clear answer to that. The most important thing is the role of leaders. Leaders are the ones that set the workplace environment. They're the ones that can generate more mentally healthy workplaces. They're also the ones that can spot when people are in trouble and can facilitate them getting help. We've developed, out of the research programs at Black Dog, training for leaders that focuses on the most important skills for them. We've shown that you can train leaders in these skills in as little as 3 to 4 hours if you really just focus on what they need to know, the skills they need to have. And we've shown that that training leads to lasting changes in behaviour and knock-on benefits in terms of reduced sickness absence, better outcomes for workers. For large organisations, we need to think about different levels of leadership. The senior leaders in an organisation have to be engaged around mental health as one of the key priorities for their organisation. And that has to be consistent, visible leadership that's supporting the initiatives. When we go down to the leaders of individual teams, the line managers that are operating within an organisation, there's a different set of skills that they need to be taught. They need to understand how to create jobs, create workplaces that are mentally healthy, and they need to know how to respond to mental health problems when they occur. So one of the really important things about the training that Black Dog Institute offers is that we know from the research what are the important things that we need to be teaching and upskilling leaders at different levels, and then we have tailored programs for those different levels of leadership.